This is Saturday, August 28th. I want to say something about the service people, the Marines, the Navy corpsmen, and the Army trooper that got killed in Afghanistan. That's blood on Biden's hands. That's all there is to it. The man's totally incompetent. I'm a combat veteran, and one of the worst things in the world is poor leadership from the top down. And Biden, it ain't in him to do what's right by our men and women in the military. Moving on, this is the grill guard I picked up for my new 5045E. It's from John Deere. Pretty cut and dry on the installation. Came in 4 pieces and a bag full of nuts and bolts. Put on your heavy pieces on the side. You got your spacers and you got your bolts. Just don't tighten them up. You need some room. I use anti-seize on all my fasteners when I'm working on something. In the trades, we say that's, you know, being nice to the guy behind you. So, some point, sometime, another man might want to take this thing off. You have no problem getting the bolts out. You got your cross pieces, so you put on your sides, loosely fit. Put on your cross pieces. These have nylock and carriage bolts. Carriage bolts are grade nothing, so you don't want to over torque those things. You'll snap them apart. Bolts that mount to the tractor are grade I said 8. You torque those down about 150 foot-pounds. I torque these down to about 50. Even though they're nylocks, I still put anti-seize on them. They're not going to back off. And again, try to be decent to the man behind you, or woman, who knows. So, takes 3/4 and a 15/16 wrench and or sockets. Torquing the big bolts. I'm not exactly a little man. Breaker bar, put some oomph on them. You're going to hit that 125 to 150 foot-pounds. So, put the hood back down. Still a one arm closed. Still got plenty of clearance. This is keeping me from whacking into a tree with the grill or the hood. Poop happens, you know, but try and be ahead of it. So let me get this thing out the way. I'll bring in my 5075E with the new loader. Do a little video on that. And it's not miserably hot up here today, but it is humid. It's terribly humid. I'm just dripping sweat. So anyway, let me move some tractors around, bring in the 5075E, and we'll go over that loader real quick. Thank you.